Well, as you can see, the rusty bugs have been in my van, but after 42 years it's only to be expected. Obviously we'd normally replace this whole panel, but where there is good metal and the surround is solid, what I do, drill a hole or die grind out the affected metal and then actually weld a patch in. For this particular job I'm going to be using the CP875 compact angle die grinder. Really handy little hand-sized tool. Some of the garages down in the West Country where I come from know it as a Wurzer, so that's what I tend to call it. Get the Wurzer out. 22,000 RPM, 1/4 inch or 6mm collet capacity, and it's a really nice quiet little tool, sits in the hand well. I use this type of tool a lot.